Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with brackets worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet where we can practice solving equations that involve brackets. Now if you quickly look at these 10 examples, they all have brackets or grouping symbols involved. So we've had a lesson on this very topic and we showed how to solve such an equation, and all we do, it's a little bit of common sense really, all you do is remove the brackets in each case. Then when you arrive at the second line where you have all the terms, you add the like terms together. And that makes the second line a little bit simpler, so the third line will be quite simple. And then you just go through the normal procedure. You either add or subtract something from both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do it to the other side. And then you might be asked to multiply or divide both sides of the equation by a particular number. But the only difference from when we first started solving the equations, these have brackets. Just remove the brackets and then go through the normal procedure. Now, the other thing I'd like to mention is we are not sure what the answers are going to be. They could be whole numbers. It's possible there could be a fraction involved, so it doesn't matter. There could be a fraction, that is acceptable. As long as you do the working correctly, don't worry about it. Fractions are quite acceptable as answers. Finally, don't forget that when you have a minus sign here and a minus sign there, when you multiply those two together, that gives you a plus. So you have to remember your rules for multiplication of directed numbers. Remember, minus times minus is a plus. Minus times plus is a minus. And plus times a minus is a minus. So this video just gives us 10 examples where we can practice solving equations involving grouping symbols or brackets. And if you need help, just click on the link on the next slide and it will take you to the lesson and it will give you some good examples and show you how to solve these types of equations.